It's almost lunchtime at Gulnas's house. Okay, what does everyone fancy for lunch today?
Pizza. Let's make pizza.
All right, that's a good idea. Let's make pizza.
To make pizza, we need
Flour,
cheese,
cheese, sausage, mushroom,
one cherry,
one tomato,
one tomato, two tomatoes,
two tomatoes, a red onion,
onion,
dough, and some dough, and some basil.
and basil. Cucumber.
Say one cucumber.
One cucumber.
Yes. So before we start cooking, we have to wash our hands. That's right. Show me your hands. Hands. Let's wash our hands.
Yes.
Wash your hands. Nice and clean. Yes. Soap. Yes. Take a bar of soap. Say rub-a-dub-a-dub, 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 rub-a-dub-a-dub. And rinse. Rinse. Say rinse. Rinse your hands. Yes, now turn off the tap and wipe your hands nice and clean. Squeaky.
Clean.
Yeah. I'll say sunflower.
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Say sprinkle a little flour. Can I have? Sprinkle a little flour on the board. Board, yeah, that's right, good. Yeah, so the dough doesn't stick. So the dough doesn't stick. The dough doesn't stick. Yes, you need to be big and strong to knead dough. I am kneading. Say, I am kneading the dough.
I'm kneading the dough.
Yeah. So, all right, let's make the dough into two balls. Okay? Two balls. Yes. Yes. Into two balls. Into two balls.
Two balls. One, two balls.
Yes. And now we will roll them flat with a rolling pin. It's actually a potato masher, but let's pretend that it's a rolling pin. All right?
Let's roll it flat.
Yeah.
Roll the dough.
All along the board.
All around the board.
Some flour. Do you need some flour?
Yes.
Say flour, please.
Flour, please.
Flour, please. Let's sprinkle some flour. Say myself. Good. Sprinkle. Say sprinkle. Sprinkle some flour. All right. Now do like this. Flip it over and roll. Roll the dough.
Roll the dough.
All along the board. Yeah, that's right. Look, an expert pizza maker doesn't need a rolling pin. Watch.
A cucumber.
A cucumber, yes. Say, let's slice a cucumber.
Let's slice a cucumber. Slice a cucumber.
Yes, Sarah is slicing a cucumber.
Sarah is slicing
A cucumber.
a cucumber. It's sausage. It's sausage. Let's slice sausage.
Yes, slice. Slice.
Slice.
Say, I'm slicing sausage.
Slice sausage.
Sprinkle, sprinkle sausage.
Sprinkles. Tomato. Let's dice tomato.
Tomato. It's a tomato. Let's dice. Yes, let's slice a tomato.
Tomato.
Cubes. Yes,
Cubes.
cubes. Cheese cubes.
Cubes.
Let's put some cheese cubes.
Cheese cubes.
Yes, we are putting some cheese cubes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yeah. Cheese cubes. Red onion.
Yes.
Say, let's cut
Let's cut.
a red onion.
Pizza is ready. Let's ease this up. Yummy.
Hot. Yes, that's right. Be careful. Yes.